Good afternoon. Just got home a while ago from Hamilton, Ancaster. Excuse me, allergies again. Uh, and I found this little new add-on when I got home. It's not new; it's maybe about a week old. It's called Tinklepad, and I'm going to show you how to install it and then run it. So let's first take a look. Let's get into Kodi. And here it is. It's called Tinklepad. Now, what's really nice about this add-on, it uses the Exodus platform and code, but it's pretty quick. You have to choose a stream. That's fine. Um, you'll know the best ones. PubFilm is always the best one at 720, but we're going to play with it a little bit, let you see what's going on, and let's go into it. So you can do search by title, release, genre, featured, views, rating, years, people, favorites, search. It's got a search engine too. We're just going to go to the latest high def. Let's just click on that. And of course, everything's loading on my super slow internet, but this thing works great, even on 1080p on my shitty internet. So let's just try this one out. I haven't seen this one yet. I'm gonna maybe tomorrow night I'll sit down with it and take a look. I've been wanting to see it. That's called 13 Hours at Gazi. So now it's loading up. It's using Exodus. A lot of you have your boxes set to autoplay. This particular one I cannot set to autoplay, but it loads up pretty quick. I changed the loading interval so it comes a little bit faster. I'm just going to show you this for example. If you choose this stream here, it's going to come up and ask you. It's going to ask you to any device. You got to go to here. So forget it. You're not going to do it. Let's give it a second here. Loading quite nicely. 720, which is nice for my internet. I can even go at 1080p. Nicely loading here. You see it's not dropping. It's staying pretty steady. Well, good enough. It's actually climbing, so that's good. To see this screen, to see what I'm showing you here as far as your loading, is done by hitting O on your keyboard. And to get rid of it, you just hit O again. So she's loading. She's loading pretty good. We got a 720 stream. Very good. Nice quality, high def. It's also, you can get it. Like if you want to go back and you want to watch that in 1080p, Rainer Land's a good one. So let's click on there and we'll get her in 1080p. Because my internet's slower than most, because I'm in the country, it's going to take a second. If you're in town or in the city and you have good high-speed internet, it's going to load faster. Now, excuse me, my computer's locked up right now. There we go. It's unlocked. Works. Believe it or not, Kodi works better. You know, I have 2 gig of RAM here. Works better on my 1 gig box. I don't know why. Maybe there's a bunch of resources in the background. So let's hit O on the keyboard. It's loading nicely. We're going to get a 1080p video. When they load like this and they buffer, it's because your internet's slow. But you're safe to start that now. Let's hit play. This is what you want to watch, okay? If you're having problems with buffering or the thing's locking up, as long as it's maintaining some sort of, it's staying pretty steady. So, and this is 1080p. Very nice. Good quality. 1080p. Good quality. So we know it's working. Let's just close that down. So how do we get this bad boy? How do we get this on Kodi? It's very simple. We want you to go to System, and we want you to go to File Manager. And we're going to add a repository, okay? And the repository, so it's just a matter of going to Add Source, type in http:// You're going to type in fusion.tvaddons.ag. And I'm going to leave that on the screen here for a minute for you guys to write that down. Very simple. Once you have it, you just click on Done and give it a name. Give it .fusion. Okay? And the reason we put the dot, that way it shows up at first, okay? In your listings. You just click Done and you click OK. We're going to back out of this and we're going to go to Settings. We're going to go to Add-ons. Oops. Let me just pop out of here. That shouldn't have come up, but anyways. Let's go back. Okay. So what's going to come up is this menu here. So when you are going to go backtrack here, you're going to go to System. After you installed the source, click on Settings, Add-ons. Forgive my computer, it locks up here doing this. Okay, you're going to get this list here, and you're going to click on Zip File. And there's your Fusion right there. Or click on Fusion. You're going to go to XBMC Repos, English, and you're going to go down and you're going to find J. Sergio repository right there. J. Sergio, and you're going to click on that. And you just watch down here in the bottom right hand corner. I've already installed it, so it may not show anything, but it'll tell you when it's installed. Once you do that, once it says installed down here, you're going to go to Install from Repository and click on that. It's down here working. And remember the name J. Sergio. Okay. And you're going to find it. There it is, J. Sergio repo. You're going to click on that. And you're going to click on Video Add-ons. Now this I already have it installed. So basically you click on it and you will see an install. This is uninstalled because I already have it. And you just install it. Okay. And once it's done, and it will say enabled. You're going to click on it. And you're going to open it. Now it's going to be in your list of video add-ons. So you know what? I'm going to escape right out of there, back home. I'm going to go to videos and see it's already there. Okay, we'll sit back here. Go back into video add-ons. And it's working, it's thinking. And there you go. Just let the thumbnails load up. It's right here. but as you see, my computer is not cooperating again. Tinklepad, let's click on it. We'll go in. We'll go by title, release, years, people, search. Let's try the search option, see how good the search option is. Summer rental. Gone done. Let's see how good the search engine is. Didn't find it. It's an older movie, so maybe it's not listed, not a big deal. You're going to want to stay mostly with your latest. Let's click on latest HD. Gotta watch this one this weekend. Click on Neighbors 2. A little crude, but don't mind it. And it's thinking. There's certain settings you can adjust it to make it search a little bit faster. It might miss some links, so I keep it about 20 seconds. All in HD. There's some standard definition. So we're probably I would go with pub films. Usually pub films, you'll find the stream right away. Loaded up pretty quick. It's probably 720p. Look at that, forwarding nice. 720, high def, not 1080, but it's still high def. It's running pretty good. There you go. That's Tinklepad. Enjoy.